Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm going to show you how to achieve this braid look doing the rubber band method. I have rubber bands all throughout my hair, so if you want to do your own box braids at home, stay tuned for this video. Okay, so I know I look crazy right now, but this is how you do the rubber band method for your box braids. This is for beginners on yourself. Now, the reason why I did the rubber band method is because when I attempted to do the whole grip thing with the little piece of strand and the bigger piece of strand, it just did not work out for me and I was getting frustrated. So I was like, you know what, I can do the rubber band method because I do know how to braid my hair. So you'll start off, I've already done the back and I'll show you guys a full view of how it all looks. But you'll start off, part your hair. We are going to add some scalp cream to the hair, and then we'll take our rubber bands, which are here. Make sure you have the rubber bands that are actually thick and not those thin rubber bands. Like, don't get the cheap ones because those will literally break and you'll be pissed. And so we're gonna rubber band our hair in the front. We'll do it a couple of times to make sure. Actually, no, a couple is just two. At least 5 times so you can make sure it's on there tight. Squeeze the hair, and then next we are going to add our braiding hair. Now, I ended up using 4 bags of hair. This is the brand. It's already pre-stretched. Love using this brand. And this is the kind of hair that I'm going to be going in with. Cannot find my scissors. Oh, here they are. My room is a mess. I've been doing hair all day. My dog's in the back. I just prefer to use pre-stretched hair because I feel like it is easier to work with. Okay, so these are kind of small to medium braids, so we're just gonna grab about a pinch size here. So we'll grab this, and then here is how we hook it on. So let me get this view. Okay, so this is the rubber band right here. I hook it over like so, and then I twist. I do one little twist to make sure it's secured tight. And then you just go through with your braid, just like that. And see, you've got that hook right there. It's covering the rubber band, so I don't have to worry about that being seen. And then you just braid the hair all the way down. Now, I did go with a blonde color this time just because summer is about to be here and I wanted something bright. But obviously you can choose whatever hair color you choose. Now, when you get to the part where your hair stops, grab a 1/3 piece of the hair you're braiding in. That way it can be even going down. And you'll just continue this process until you get to the end of the braid. The braid is done. Okay, so I wanted to just show you guys one more time how I did the rubber band method just to make sure you got it down. So I already have it rubber band off right here. And then I put the hair over my rubber band. So my hair's going this way, the braiding hair is going the other way. And then I actually go through and kind of twist it into each other. And then I just begin to braid it on down. And before you even start braiding, you can see that it's covering that rubber band. So it's that twist part really helps to make sure that it's going to lock and also cover your rubber band. And then you'll just braid this on down. And full disclaimer, I'm not a hairstylist. I am not a hair YouTuber. I just wanted to show y'all how to do the rubber band method because it helped me get these box braids, because A, I did not want to spend the money, and B, we should be practicing social distancing. Even though Texas is reopened, we still should be practicing social distancing. So wasn't gonna go to the hairstylist this time, so I'm the at-home do-it-yourself hairstylist. So yeah, I hope this is very helpful for you guys. Once I finish all of these braids, I'm actually gonna dip them in boiling water so that they can lay flatter. With using the pre-stretched hair, I did not have as many flyaways as you would using other braiding hair, but I just want to still dip it in boiling water. So yeah, I'm trying to remember what else I needed to mention. I think that was pretty much it. So yeah, anyways, you're just gonna braid your hair all the way down, and I'll make sure I show an actual view of the back of my hair as well. I did the same method as that y'all saw in the front over the whole head, obviously. But yeah, this is a great protective style for natural girls. And if you just get tired of doing your hair, hello, braids. Okay, this one is finally done. Now, I already kind of rubber band off the rest of these, so I only have a few more left. I only got 5 braids left. But to spare y'all the time, I'll just do those and then just show you the final look. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you next time. Bye!